In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use the bitwise operators. So first of all, what is bitwise operators? Bitwise operators are used to perform manipulation of individual bits of a number. They can be used with any of the integral type, that is char, short, int, etc. They are used when performing update and query operations of binary index tree. Here is first bitwise OR. This operator is binary operator denoted by OR. It returns bit by bit OR of input values. That is, if either of the bits is 1, it gives 1, else it gives 0. For example, A equals to 5, 0, 1, 0, 1 and B is equals to 7, 0, 1, 1 in binary. So bitwise OR operations of 5 and 7 is 1, 1, 1, 101, 111, 000. So it will give 7 as a decimal number. This is the another bitwise operator, that is AND. This operator is binary operator denoted by AND. It represents bit by bit AND of input values. That is, if both bits are 1, it gives 1, else it gives 0. For example, A is equals to 0101 and B is equals to 0111. So, the bitwise AND operation of 5 and 7 is 111, 010, 111, 000. So, it will give 5. Here is another bitwise operator, that is XOR. This operator is binary operator denoted by XOR. It returns bit by bit XOR of input values. That is, if corresponding bits are different, it gives 1, else it gives 0. For example, A is equals to 0101 and B is equals to 0111, and bitwise XOR operation of 5 and 7 are 110, 101, 110, 000. So it will give us the value 2 in decimal. Here is another bitwise operator, that is complement. This operator is unary operator denoted by complement. It returns the ones complement representation of input values, that is, with all bits inversed, means it makes every 0 to 1 and every 1 to 0. For example, A50101, then it will convert it into 1010. And bitwise complement operation of 5 is 1010, that is 10. Let's see the code how to implement these bitwise operators. Let's see the example of bitwise operator. First of all, we make a class, public class bitwise operator, and inside the class we make a main function, and then we initialize the values, that is A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 7. So the bitwise of A and B is equals to, here I print the bitwise value of bitwise AND, that is A and B. If I see the value here, the 5 is represented as 0101 in binary and 7 is represented as 0111 in binary. So if I want the AND operator, then what is the value? It will 111, 010, 111 and 000. So this is the value 5. So in this case 5 will be printed. Next is bitwise OR. So we all know that A is 0101 and B is 0111, and bitwise OR for both the value is 111, 101, 111 and 000. So it is 7. So it will print the value 7, and bitwise XOR gives me answer 2, and in the similar ways bitwise ANDs 2 complements. Bitwise complement give me the answer -6. So, and if we can be combined with AND equals to, that is shorthand operator, it will give me the answer A. So just save it and let's see the output. Zavak bitwise operators.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will give me the value 5, A or B7, A XOR B2, Complement of a is minus 6 and a is equals to 5. So in this way, we can use the bitwise operators of Java. Thank you.